Hello there. Today I'm going to be briefly taking you through the new incremental layout feature of LINQ. After making changes to a model, you can now run an incremental layout, which will organize the new/changed nodes without disrupting the rest of the graph. This tidies up the graph without reorganizing everything, which made it difficult to keep track of where things were in the model. You can run an incremental layout from the toolbar as seen here. Basically, this feature lays out the part of the model that you are currently working on, rather than the whole model layout, which is particularly useful if you're working in the middle of a large model. For example, we might want to do some edits in a model here, like this. So we might add in some content, such as just go no email address. Mark the account as invalid. Invalid registration. And we complete the edit by adding the roles and systems. As you can see now, it has become a bit of a mess, especially when you're working like this in the middle of a model. And so to keep all of these changes local, and especially if you're already happy with the current layout of the full model, we can come back up here to the toolbar and select Incremental Layout, where it rearranges it like this, rather than Reset Layout, which, as you can see, would reset the whole model. The algorithm here operates by holding unchanged nodes relatively fixed while optimizing the positions of newly introduced elements. This ensures that existing structures like hierarchy layers, relative order, or specific routing branches remain intact as the diagram expands or changes. And that is LINQ's new incremental layout feature. Simple yet useful when adding content to existing models.